Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Claude AI to Slack so you can manage messages and workflows more efficiently. So let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Claude account, and then from here, you want to click on this plus icon, head over to connectors and choose add connector. Now, this is where you can connect to different apps. From here, you want to find Slack, you can type it in here, click on it, and choose connect. Once you do that, you'll be asked to sign into your Slack workspace and approve permissions so Claude can read messages and interact with your channels. Once connected, basically, that's about it. Now, instead of manually checking everything in Slack, you can just ask Claude to help you. You can even ask to summarize messages from this channel or find important updates from today. So, yeah, connecting Claude to Slack basically turns your workspace into a smarter system where Claude can read, summarize, and help you respond to messages faster. Now, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!